Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can migrate your app data on Base44 to another region, so let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account settings on Base44 for the given workspace, and it depends on your account level. For example, I with my account status need to submit, for example, a support ticket here on Base44. I'm going to show you how to do that to move your data, app data to another residency. So what you want to do is click into basic information here, and you will see the current data residency here. So what you want to do, guys, is if you don't have access to this feature here because you don't have the given account status, you can click into this button here and then request a migration here if you want to move the app to a different region, right? So the current region is US for this app, but if you'd like to request a migration, click into this button, go through that support ticket here and describe your issue. So there will be that default text here with your workspace, the number, the current region, app region, and then enter the target region here. For example, UK, apps to migrate, enter the name of your app here, flows data, that's the name. And then guys, you have up to 500 characters for that. It's optional, but you can also add app relevant files here as attachments. And then guys, what you want to do is click into continue to send the support ticket. And I'm not going to do this because I don't want to do this, but once you have sent or requested the support ticket, you will see the open ones here, the closed ones there. Yeah, and here you will need to wait for a reply or from the reviewing team on Base44. You may also refresh this and see how they respond to that or reply to that request. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.